Hi Andy, let's pop into eLumen and let's go plan an assessment. Alright, so when you go in, make sure you're the discipline coordinator and not faculty. What discipline are you going to be working on? For me, I'm going to work right now on Office Technology. We are going to add an assessment. Now you can see that I actually already have all of these done for fall 2019. So I'm just going to make up one. So we're going to go to add an assessment. I am going to name this assessment junk. You would put your course number in here, and then you would put something like, this is the standard assessment for, and then you would put in your course number. Okay, I'm just going to make myself a note real quick because this is junk. Okay, assessment type is always a course ending review. Now, you don't need to worry about any of this stuff in the middle. Assessment scale. I use the math percentage scale, which has nothing to do with math. It just means meets or doesn't meet. The rubric type, you always have to change it to outcomes oriented. Don't worry about how many slows there are because we can put in as much as we want. So you don't even have to worry about that. We leave both the scorecard and the rubric view. That allows instructors two different ways to do it. You could leave just one of those turned on if you wanted to. Generate that rubric template. Now we're going to add our slows. The most important thing you need to know here is it always defaults to the first class in the list. So you have to make sure you get the right course, because I'm not going to lie, I've gotten the wrong course before and had screwed it up, but that's me. I do it a lot. Click on your first slow, and if you need another one, which we do because there was two, you hit add a row, link your slow. Okay, now I have both my slows in there. Obviously you could have one, you could have 10, I don't know, it doesn't matter. If you mess one up, just hit that X. So if you accidentally get the same one in there twice, or you find out there are some errors in eLumen with our slows, so if you find one that's wrong, you can just hit the X and get rid of it. So now you can see what my assessment scale looks like. Wouldn't it have been nice if you could actually see it before this and knew what you were dealing with? But here it is. Meets, does not meet. I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to hit Save and Plan. Now, when we get to this screen, the term is always wrong. So you need to hit this down pointing arrow. You need to get rid of the incorrect term. You need to select the correct term. And then we're ready to go. So, fall 2019, I'm going to go grab my course and I'm going to drag it down into the blue and let go. When I do that, see how it says Intersession 2020? Even though I have fall 2019, just hit refresh. Now grab it and drag it down. And now make sure this is correct. So, all my sections for the course you've selected, and you always check this and make sure it's right. If this isn't right, you just hit cancel, go back and fix it. We hit next. Now, in this case, because it's junk, I have to turn this off. If not, all of my instructors would get a message and they would not be happy with me. So since I'm just playing around and showing you how to do it, I'm going to turn off this notification. Confirm it. Do you see where it says plan successfully? But it doesn't show anything. So you hit refresh, and there it is. And that's all you have to do for, every single one of your classes. Yeah, let me know if you need any help, okay? All right, I hope you have a Merry Christmas.